Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and assembly of the new Keens XC Plus luxury model stroller wagon. It's the 4-passenger edition. For this order I purchased this stroller wagon, and I also purchased the original adjustable hooks. It's a 2-pack, so let's hope they're in this box because this is all I received when I ordered it. I ordered this on a Thursday in the middle of the night, somewhere around 11 p.m. I got the shipping confirmation the very next morning, not even 12 hours later, and I received it 2 days exactly later. So it was super quick shipping, 2.5 days, but working days, I guess 2 days. Let's see. This is my first stroller wagon from this company. I was debating between the Wonderfold and the Keenz. I also purchased the Radio Flyer prior to this, and I did not like that one. So let's hope this one serves its purpose for us. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is lay this down. This is a pretty big beast. And they did put the stroller hooks inside of the box, so that's pretty cool, because I was really worried that they had forgotten to send those. And I'll put the information down below on the specifications on this, the weight of this, and then on the next video I'll go ahead and do some of the measurements that were not online for the different adjustable heights, the sizes of the wheels, etc., etc. So I got mostly everything put out. And let me get this instruction manual before I touch anything. Okay. So it's got the canopy, the 2 front wheels, 2 back wheels, handlebar. I assume the seats are in there. And then of course the frame. First it says we would stand this upwards, and there should be a buckle to undo. It is on this side here, so you're just going to unbuckle here. Okay, once I've unbuckled them, all right, I am just going to press down. Let me get the seats. The seats were in here. With the prominences, this would be the rear wheel, and we have the rear wheel axle, and we just install those. Okay, simple as that. And so for the axle, it just snaps in here, and this little buckle button comes out. And then the next part we're gonna do is we're gonna get the wheels. And we're just gonna snap them in. Simple as that. That was super easy. And then the wheel literally just slides in here and it is secure. Now we go to the front. And this one does not have an axle that I need to put on at all. The front wheel is a little bit more finicky. You have to align it perfectly and then it'll snap down, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. All right. The front wheels were a little bit more finicky to install. So like right here is a quick release on the very top. It seems like this is the brake right here. And in order to get it in place, you're gonna feel like a little bit of a tug on it once you rotate it, and then you're in place. If you push it down, obviously it locks into place, and if not, you're good to go. And now we need to install the seats. And so one clip goes through the back, and then the other clip goes through some of the fabric that is in the pocket area. It just clips in. Make sure everything here clips in. Perfect. So we got the bench. We'll flap the pockets out, and then it looks like we essentially do the exact same thing on the other side. Now, unlike the Wonderfold wagon, the Wonderfold, I think it's the Luxe edition, that also holds for, these cannot both be front facing. They have to be essentially facing each other. So we got those installed. That wasn't as difficult as I made it appear. It's always hard for me to line those up perfectly. Otherwise it would be pretty simple. Next part is the beverage and snack holder that you would apply. Now what I was told is this is just fabric on the bottom. There is like a little pad. When I spoke to Keenz, or messaged them, better yet, that's what I was told. It's just fabric. There's a small pad down there. Now the snack tray does come with this model. If you were to go with the Wonderfold, it does not come with the Wonderfold wagon, so you actually have to purchase that separately. Which in my opinion, if you're already spending over $800 on the stroller wagon, you would hope that they would at minimum have something like that. Granted, there are so many different dupes that you can add. You don't necessarily have to purchase that, but that's just my personal opinion. Good, and it's supposed to hold 4 cups or beverages, and then of course the snacks. The seats just snap into place with these 2 pieces of plastic, just like the tray. And then here is where you're going to feed the top in, and then you're going to clamp it right there. The next part is the canopy. And essentially it's like a little slider. You just push that to unlock it, and it has the lock and unlock symbol, and it just snaps into place. So that's pretty simple. That done. And then you get that canopy. So I purchased this with my own money. I'm not affiliated with them, anything to that extent. I may message them and see if they can give me some type of discount to potentially give to y'all. But we'll see if they do that. I do know that they have like a hero discount and then a medical needs discount. I don't remember the percentages off the top of my head, but you can go online and check that on their website. For the canopy poles, this right here will slide out and then you pull it up. It's a little bit difficult to do with one hand, but I'm more than happy to try. And then locks into place. As for the canopy, there's a little hole right there, and you're just going to align, snap in, and then pull the canopy over. Okay. Last part, of course, is just taking off any of this excess packaging. But it's a pretty quick assembly. I would say it took me maybe 20 minutes. For somebody who's a lot quicker than I am, they could probably get this done in 10 minutes. But I always have a hard time with any kids' toys or kids' products to assemble. Thank you for visiting my channel and sticking around for the unboxing and the assembly of the Keens XC luxury stroller wagon. On the next video, I will be going over a little bit more on the measurements and specifications that were not provided on their website. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I will try to answer those to the best of my ability. Bye-bye.